Another Kevin tries for the first time, of course, brother. Yes, man. We putting in the work. Yeah, set out hell. Look like rain or falling out. But what are we trying for the first time? When you just see me eat the food, so obviously we have to get something for wash down the food. And what I'll be trying for the first time, people in a foreign might know them thing. Dr. Pepper. It's Dr. Pepper! Oh, it's Dr. Pepper, brother! And this are the strawberry and cream. Now that me I think about it, you see? Why my brain tell me if you take up strawberry and cream? Strawberry and cream. Why me never take up like a regular one? That's what I should have do. I just jump off a deep end, you know, like strawberry and cream. You go cream, so cream, milk. Who lactose intolerant? You guessed it. But maybe there's no milk in here. You just have that cream flavor there. Maybe a cream soda. No? On a cream soda? Strawberry and cream. That sounds like some Valentine's Day type business, you see me? And you go so boom and your girl up on the ends and you say, alright, we're going to do something romantic and we're going to have some strawberry and cream. So you go so boom and whip up some cream and you dip the strawberry in that cream and you feed her, she feed you, and you know, baby born and them something. let's pop the cap on this. I wonder if it'll go fizz up. No fizz. First of all, I probably can't see it on my phone. It look like, I don't even see a little spill up on the little thing. It look sort of, what you call it, black in a color, bronze, I don't know. Did I expect if it look strawberry? Alright, Dr. Pepper. I never have Dr. Pepper yet, so I don't know what it's supposed to look like. But isn't it, I want a competitor with like cola and them something there. I could taste this here now and see what is going on. Wait a minute. It actually tastes nice. And you know what I think about it? You know how some sodas like the carbonation in it overpowering and thing, like when you drink you have to say ah. I always see them commercial there when them a drink the soda and them go ah. I'm not really ah. I'm more like ah, cause your throat a burn you. Spit on the camera a while ago. I'm sorry here. I'm sorry. This is I think this is the intention of people where make soda. The carbonation, it seems like they're at the right place where, you know, it's refreshing. And at that every soda company dream to have carbonation in them soda that is refreshing and no bun throat. Ah! I don't know what I talk about. I don't know. But the flavor, I get more strawberry. And then like the last part, a cream. So you get the strawberry first. And then the last part, cream. It's actually really good, man. It's really good. I try showing you like how it look. See that? See, it kind of have like a cola look to it. But the flavor is really good, man. Mind you, I'm not really like a big soda guy still. Sorry. Soda not really my thing per se. I like water, I like juice. And then flavored water. But this is good. Carbonation, they're the right place. Strawberry and cream, Dr. Pepper. If you would like to try it, you can do so, you know. On a scale of 1 to 10 for your drink, I give it an 8. And just because I 8 from me for soda is like a 10. I mean, I'm not really a soda guy. I'm the type of person who buy soda because I like the flavor, but I shake out the carbonation out of it. Pointless, because that's what soda is. That's the whole point of soda, carbonation. But I buy and shake out the carbonation because I don't like it. It's most of the soda them we have here, it's the carbonation is just overpowering. No lie. Me no like it. Dr. Pepper, a foreign sitting. Oh, how much me pay for it? $250. Jesus Christ. But you just buy one look regular soda. But then regular soda, no, I go a shop with it and I buy a ginger beer. Ginger beer like $2 a shop. We try it for the first time. Dr. Pepper, strawberry and cream. And it's nice. Next time we'll go try some more food. I guess from now on, anytime we try food, we'll also try a drink with it. Or maybe we just dedicate all one whole thing for like different drinks. That sounds good, not true? We can do that, man. There was a lot of other soda brands in a can with dead. Or maybe we can try all of them in like maybe like 10 of them in a one video that gonna cost me. That gonna cost me to blow. So I've watched the video here. So hit the like button, hit the share button. Tell me if you've ever had Dr. Pepper and if you ever had like Dr. Pepper, strawberry and cream, and them thing. Big up on yourself, Kevin Too Crazy. I am out here. I'm steaming down. I'm gonna go home now and and walking stick come here and say, oh, why that look so? I go home and now go upload them here so I can get them. I put in the work, man, you see me? I put in the work and them are like vlogs and straight video and I really take much. I don't know what about editing. So I get to it. And then tomorrow I have work again. So I want to go home and probably go get some sleep so that I can wake up early. But yeah, boom. Kevin Tracks for the first time. Big up on yourself. That is really good. Influencers where eat food and suck. Like when them eat them, please stop it. Nobody does that in real life. The ASMR people, them, you know what? To each his own. To each his own. I'm not a fan of it, okay? Because not everybody eat and suck our food. Like, one, two, no, man. Anyways, me gonna be.